Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. In today's video, we are going to be setting up my work planner. I am really late in setting this one up, but if you didn't catch my last video, it's just life has been happening. My father-in-law passed, and so life kind of stopped for a week, but we are getting back on track. I am trying to get some type of routine back in place with my posting and with my schedule. I did take last week completely off, and I was evaluating how I was going to set this up, but I think I am just going to skip this week completely and basically just start with this one. I do have my ideas sheet in here. This is where I keep a list of all of my ideas of everything that is coming up, everything that I want to post throughout the month. And so I just kind of switched up the dates and added in the new dates that I believe is going to happen for this upcoming week. Now, this might not happen exactly as is because we still have the funeral coming up. And so this might be still pretty lofty as well, but we will just see how much filming I am able to get done. So I am going to start off with my YouTube schedule. So the way that I usually set this up is I will put my YouTube schedule here, and I have been doing my short form content on the side. I usually will post to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, the same type of content. So it just depends on where you are. You will be able to see everything from me on those different platforms. So my short form content will go on the side. The fact of if I am posting every single day, I will also keep a habit tracker for that. And then sometimes I will add additional notes or things that I would like to tell myself at the bottom here. But we're going to start off right in the middle. I'm going to start off with my YouTube schedule. My goal for this month is to post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. That is a lofty goal. Usually I post every Tuesday and Thursday, but we are trying to get more functional planning content out to you all, as well as budget content and faith planning content. So that is my goal. We will see how I do, but let's start off with the 9th. And we are going to start off with the videos that I am planning for the rest of this month. Okay, so I am just pulling all of my content ideas from my content sheet and just adding them into my calendar. I am writing down on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday every video that I would like to post to YouTube. So the first thing that I'm going to do is write down all of the videos and in the order that I would like to post them on the day that I would like to post them. Now, I usually like to post like around 3 o'clock. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it's a little bit later, but having this schedule really helps me to see everything as an overview. I usually will work from this page and then plan out my week once I look at everything that I'm supposed to film for the week. I will write everything down in black, and then I will go back with my red pen and write down where it's going to post. So all of these videos are going to be posted on YouTube. So I'm just going to add that in. And I'm also going to add in my lunch and learn for the month. So every single month I do a lunch and learn with Organize You, which is my monthly membership. And so we are going to be talking about building a budget that you can stick to this month. I'm just writing that down, the fact that it's a lunch and learn, and it is going to be on the 24th of this month. Another thing that I'm going to do is add in the fact that I did not post. Now, the reason that I like to do this is because sometimes if I am looking back on a planner, I will think that I did post and I just didn't write it down. And so writing down the fact that I did not post means that I won't go looking for a video or trying to see if I did actually post something during this time. And then if I see that I didn't post here, I always refer back to my life planner. If I have forgotten why, I will refer back to my schedule planner, and my schedule will definitely tell me why I did not post for a significant amount of time. Writing it here is just a signal to myself that if I don't remember, I can go back and look. So now that everything is in and we have all of the videos down, the next thing I'm going to do is write on my sidebar here. So on my sidebar, I like to keep a list of ideas. These are not the things that I am actually going to post. It is a list of ideas that I can pull from to post. So I like to keep a running list of just different things that I would post on a normal basis. That way, if I ever am like, I don't know what to post, I can refer to this list and pull from one of these things. And it's things like my daily planner or my budget planner, listing out my habits, or showing you all my work planner or my faith planner. It just gives me a couple of ideas, and then that way I am able to be more consistent. I also have added on here 2 habit trackers. This is something that I am trying out, where I'm going to try and see if tracking my habits for posting over the next 2 weeks works out well for me. If so, then I will definitely keep it going for the month of March. And at the bottom here, I am just adding a little spot for additional notes, just because I have some space at the bottom and I can add in additional notes at the bottom of my calendar. I can use this for ideas or anything else that is coming up for work throughout the course of the month. And I like to have this here because once I add in my monthly calendar for my YouTube channel, I don't have space to really write anything else. And I like to kind of use up the box for my YouTube schedule. So I will add in other things that is coming up for work, like deadlines and sponsored videos that I have coming up. All of that information will go down here. So this is it for my February work planner setup. I know many of you are not YouTubers, but I still like to post this one from time to time because I do believe it will give you ideas for the things that you might have going on at work and other ways that you could possibly use your monthly calendar for your work. So let me just add back in my contents page. And usually when I'm posting, I will check it off here that I have posted it, and I will also add it into my calendar and check it off here as well. But just because I put it here doesn't mean that I am going to post exactly this. A lot of times I will change my mind, and I give myself space to change my mind at any point in time. And if I do change my mind, what I will do is scratch it out in red. I will just mark it across with my red pen and write at the top in red what I decided to do instead. So guys, I hope that this one has helped you, and I will see you all in my next one. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.